Hey people, it's JGPH again, and I got another parcel from CS Toys. It's a bit smaller than most of the other ones that I got, but let's open it with my trusty scissors there. Okay. I'll turn it around. The parcel is slightly beaten up, you can see. Okay, look down my made up stand. Working up with my bare hands. Okay. Piece of paper. And I've got this parcel. Need to get it out. By looking at it, I think you can tell what it is almost. But I'll get it open. Got another one of these again. It is the Super Robot Gokai. Yes, there's a Gokai version. I mean, there's a Super Robot Chogokin version of the Gokai. And I've got some slash effect parts. They clip onto the sword. It's a promotional thing. When it's the first release thing, and I first saw it. Did it, and I got them, so that's quite cool. Size of the box shows what poses you can put them in. Spec part with a cannon, show how much the hook can bend, and there's a patch striker there. Oh yeah, there's also one of the Deca Ranger Robo coming out as well, and you can make Deca Ranger Gokai. Unlike the Shinko, this one is sealed so you can't see any side of it. But anyways, this has been CS Toys unboxing video number 6. Bye.